Need to reset your AirPods Max? In this quick video, I will show you how to do it. First, we need to unpair them before resetting. Make sure they are out of their case. They should appear in Settings under your name. If not, check your Bluetooth settings. On your iPhone, tap your AirPods Max. Scroll all the way down in your AirPods settings and tap Forget this device.
If you're in your Bluetooth settings, tap the More Info button first, then tap Forget Device, and tap Forget Device again to confirm. Your AirPods Max will be removed from all devices connected to your iCloud account. They're now unpaired.
Now we can reset to factory settings. Your AirPods Max might be ready to connect right away, but since we're resetting to factory settings, tap the Close button on the Connect card for now. Press and hold the noise control button and the digital crown on top of the right earphone for about 15 seconds, until the LED near the bottom of the right earphone flashes amber, then white. Your AirPods Max are now reset and ready to pair with your device. Don't forget to follow for more.